So we got a set of the brand new 2018 Plus Subaru Legacy headlights. You can see we've got these modded a little bit here. You're going to see the Diode HD LED switchback halos right on the tip of that projector bezel. That's the LED adaptive projector. It does swivel. You got to make sure there's plenty of clearance. That's a 90mm, and then we have the Legacy and Outback C-Light by Diode too. It matches up. On the side, we've painted that amber reflector, a semi-flat black, as well as the turn signal housing. That's why it's really black in there. We're going to turn on the C-lights and halos for you. So you can see it's nice white running light mode, really, really bright, and it's got a really bright turn signal mode as well. So anytime the turn signal is on, that'll switch to amber and then going to go right back to white. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.